2016 Cadillac SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish, handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is too long to list. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, navigation system, backup camera, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.